Hello guys, it's a pleasure having you here again another day. Today is actually raining, the weather, and of course has been raining a lot of pips as the market has been very volatile of late. Now, this is a quick question I want to quickly address. Most people have been saying, what is the best time frame to use to trade the Forex market? What is the best time frame to use to trade? And then I have to tell them that it depends. There is no direct answer to that question. It depends on a few things. It depends on the type of trader that you are. Now, if you look at what we have right in front of us, is a particular instrument, the USD CHF. I'm going to flip through these time frames because the time frames will give you different perspective of that same instrument. Now it's presently on 1 hour. You can see the 1 hour is an uptrend. If I go down to 1 minute, and see what we have, different variations, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month, right? So you can see you're having different variations of these time frames. So the truth now is that to answer that question, it depends on the type of trader that you are. Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Or are you a position trader? You have to know the type of trader that you are. If you are very new to the business and you don't know the type of trader that you are, I would always advise that in order for it to be on the safe side for you, start with intraday or swing trading. Why? Because it is not too fast and then it is not too slow. So the best time frame for a scalper will probably be around the 1 minute, 5 minutes, or the 15 minutes time frame. And then the best time frame for an intraday trader could be the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or the 1 hour time frame, right? Because the intraday trader and the scalpers are in and out of the market within that same day. The scalper is in and out within a few seconds to a few minutes, while the intraday is in maximum a few hours. But before the close of that day, that trader is out of the market. When it comes to the swing trader could probably be using like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, or maybe even the daily time frame, right? Just looking at this as a rough estimate, right? Just to give you an idea, the time frame that you are supposed to use based on the type of trader that you are. So you could have this as a swing trader, and then when it comes to a position trader, the position trader is one that holds trades for a longer period of time, maybe for weeks, months, and even years. Swing trader holds trades for a few days, maybe a few weeks, short period of time, but not that lengthy like the position trader. Position trader can hold trades for years, and I mean years. So the time frame that you are going to be using is based on one, the type of trader that you are, and then two, it must fit your lifestyle, it must fit your personality. If you are a surgeon, I wouldn't advise you to be a scalper, right? Because of course, you might not really have time during the day, based on your 9 to 5 or whatever you are doing. If you don't have time during the day, then I wouldn't advise for you to become a scalper. You could easily be like maybe a swing trader, right? Remember I said, for me personally, I like the intraday stroke swing trading. I think that's time frame, the time frame around that period is very good, very safe. And that's why I said, if you are new to the business, it's best for you to start either as an intraday trader or a swing trader. Leave scalping alone, which is way too fast and is prone to a lot of mistakes, a lot of errors. And then position trading is way too slow. And of course, your capital has to, match up for you to hold a trade for that lengthy period of time. So a lot of things, depends on the type of trader, your lifestyle, and so on, for you to know the best time frame to use. So whenever you say, what is the best time frame to use, ask yourself this question: what type of trader are you? How is your lifestyle? Do you have time to be staring at the market? Like myself, I have time to be staring at the market, but that does not mean that I'm a scalper. The reason why I trade is for freedom. And that's why I believe we're all trading at the end of the day. So I hope that this was enlightening enough for everybody. So you have gotten your answer for those that asked that question. what is the best time frame to use. So if you have any other question, feel free to ask. And of course, I would always turn it into a quick video for you to watch, and hopefully it makes more sense and it helps you to improve on your trading. If you have any other questions, comment in the section below. And of course, if the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and you can always share it with people that might be asking the same question as well. Thank you guys, and enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye and God bless. Cheers.